How about a race? Last team to the bottom waxes all our boards tonight.
You're on, fool. Cody and I are gonna smoke you.
Yeah, Tank, you're going down.
Ooh, I'm so scared. Not.
Ha! Me and Lonnie will take you on. And as always, it'll be ladies first!
Me and the chicken are in too. Where is he?
Hey, don't take this the wrong way, but didn't you used to be taller? Oh my gosh, you're standing in quicksand! Cody, Lonnie, JC, help!
Lonnie, pull! I'm trying! He's like a boulder!
I got this. Come on, big guy, let's get you out of there.
How much do you weigh?
Hunter, help me look for the chicken!
Already on it, boss. I found him. There, by that rock. To your right.
Ah! Gotcha!
Am I dead? Are you my father?
Come on! Come on! Come on!
Yeah, go, JC!
That's how it's done.
Wow, JC. Perfect form.
Thanks, kid.
Very impressive. You gonna put me down now?
You're lucky it's leg day. I'm just gonna sneak in a quick set.
Thanks, show off.
Anytime. Leg pressing a large, heavy boulder, then onto a one-handed handstand, all while still leg pressing the boulder. The secret to my amazing physique: eat right, exercise, and never give up on being awesome.